Hello friends, welcome. Today let us introduce you the cordless vacuum cleaner. If you will see, this one is the introduction. Let us fix and show you. Come friends, here if you will see, we have fixed the cordless vacuum cleaner. This one is for the side to vacuum. These are the wall mount. This is the charger base. You can wall mount with this. Comes with adapter. Now let's on and see. Here, this is the less, more. These are the battery indicators, and this is the here. This side is on and off. See, and also comes with the LED. Friends, now let's check the demo. Here, this one, if you see the suction power, here, have a look. This is the kind of suction like a cyclone suction, and this one with the LED, so you can see below your sofa. Have a look this way. Now if you will see, this one has the brush. Let me off and show you. Here if you will see, these are the cleaning brush. So it can take the dust from every part, from the hard floor, marble, the carpet, other. Now you can hold it and hang it in this way at your home with the help of wall mount and charge it this way. Now, for the cleaning, you can just simply press this side to take out if some dust has been stuck. So press, rotate the whole ball. The whole ball will come out. Empty it. This. And all the dirt will be outside.